In this video, we are going to see other devices we are signed into on Facebook. So let's say that you want to delete some unauthenticated devices. Maybe you have sold that device, so you want to remove it from the list. Here's how you can view it and delete it. Just click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner, click on settings and privacy, click on settings again. And on the left hand side, we see the password and security in the account center section. Click on this. And on the left hand side, you see account settings, and underneath that we see password and security. Click on that. And from here, just choose the security checks. And under this, we have where you are logged in. Click on this. And as you can see, we are not only logged in with this profile on the Windows PC, it says +4 more. We want to delete that. Click on this. And from here, you just select the device to log out. You can choose that particular device. Let's say this is Android. Click on the logout and click on logout from there. You confirm the confirmation code that is received on your mobile. Click on next, and it says you have been successfully logged out on the selected device, and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.